Hello, my name is Anje Marcela Villalobos Valencia. I'm living in Villavicencio Oak City, and I go to tell you about my experience on the travel. Thank you.
My trip to Malta. I was on Malta on May 3, 2018 May. Trip 3 was beautiful. It goes 14 hours or flying biplane. Crossing the Atlantic Ocean goes something exciting. I'll goes getting tuna, the beautiful place. That is Island Oz. Let us start by talking about the Maltese capital. La Ballesta is one of the first city in the Malta with a beautiful architecture from the on time. It is create romantic streets. We can say about the rocks to beach, a beautiful Mediterranean. Sea and soul beautiful beyond the activities sunset. We done in the boat party tour is blue sea and the transport waters and the beautiful sun that day. Although for reason of time we need visit is a neighborhood a Island Gozo. The say that is viewed is even more beautiful than Malta. I hope to be able to return there soon again. Malta is a small world. Well, that is what call it because of the variety of people and culture they you see there. Experiments the vein in Malta is great for the scenarios that it show out.
Hello, everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the experience lived in the places I had visited. The first place I visited was El Salvador. Among the go while there I had good adventures. From the airport I went to the main square and our late visited food places and is what delighted with the gastronomy. Corn tortillas are my favorites. I stayed at the Holiday Hotel while to Lake Coatepeque, the lake that has to the temperatures due to a nearby volcano. The following month I was in the country of Turkey. It was my first time in the country. I was completely unaware of its country. With the help of tour guide just to the city of Istanbul. It is very common to see couples share between Asians and Spanish in the neighborhoods of city. The food they sell in the market is very diverse. I enjoy it a lot. I had the opportunity to climb the Garara Tower. The view from its viewpoint in particular. I had a very good experience from that trip. Currently, I am in the Barcelona, Spain, my native country. I am walking in the front of the Cathedral of the Holy Cross and Saint Eulalia. I am accompanied by my family. This is also a wonderland.